is Malko Young. I'm 18 years old and I'm running a free basketball youth camp. So my project is targeted for young, racialized, marginalized students or kids who want to learn basketball and like grow in that basketball aspect. So what inspired me to run it was I always was running camps when I was younger, and I always wanted to run my own camp because I always was working like with my coaches because I also play basketball. So I was working with my coaches camp, but when I seen the grant, I finally found the opportunity for myself to run my own program. So I always like push for leadership, and then the grant really made me have that opportunity to do so. I honestly just want to learn and grow my knowledge on like leadership and like running programs, and I see a whole bunch of guest speakers, which I'm always willing to learn. So I feel like taking key points from them will grow my knowledge. This honestly, like being able to connect with a whole bunch of people, it really encourages me, and I want to continue pushing this. And I feel like I could take it to another level where I'll be able to start my own little program where everybody wants to be included, not just kids, but also adults. And yeah.